What it do, y'all? How you doing? It's your girl, Miss Natural Shay. Okay, what's going on, y'all? It's your girl, Miss Natural Shay, and I'm back for another video. Today we got a Ulta haul, y'all. This is 18 pounds. Girl, what did you get for 18 pounds? We about to find out. Let's take these scissors, slice and dice. So I was looking for some scrubs. Let me look at my paper, y'all. This thing weighs 18 items. Total number of items shipped. 18 items. Oh my God. Okay then. So anyway, yeah, this thing right here, it says I got 18 items, and I can't believe it because I didn't think I bought that many items. But if y'all want to see this box, check it out. All these goodies, boo. All right, so let's just jump right on in. I'm just gonna grab and show you what I got. So the first thing I got from Ulta is called Tropic Glow Firming Whipped Shea Body Butter. Look at the packaging. Ain't it so cute? It's so cute. It says made with shea butter, kapaku, I don't know, y'all, butter, pistachio, and grana extracts. Okay, if y'all can see that, yeah, okay. But anyway, I got this to pair with something else. So of course I don't see it off the top, so when I do see it, I will, hold on, let me see if I can see it real quick. Oh, here we go. I got it to pair with Tropic Glow Body Sugar Scrub. So yeah, I got these two to pair together. I'm so excited. Let's see what this thing smells like. Oh, look at that, y'all. It looks good. It smells nice. Let me just take a little bit out and put it on my hand and see how that thing smells. Then of course I want to smell the body scrub. So let's see what this thing smell like. Look at it, nice and thick. I love me a good body scrub. It smells basically the same as the shea body butter. So let's rub this thing in. It's all right. I ain't gonna say it's the bomb.com because boo, it ain't as far as the smell. But okay, got me the back of my palms moisturized. So yeah, so I got these two, and all of these products, if y'all want to know, I think they were like $8.99. I wish they had a sale on them, but of course after I place my order, then I go to Target, y'all. Go to Target, they $6.59, but of course they didn't have like all the ones that I got from here. But anyway, let's go to the next one. The next one I got is Lavender Shea Sugar Scrub, and it says help calm senses and smooth skin. Yes, to the purple packaging. Purple is my favorite color, y'all. That's a fun fact. Ooh, I like how this smells, y'all. Can y'all smell it? I mean, that smells pretty good. And I do have the whipped shea body butter for that. So boom, lavender and lavender. I should be feeling nice and calm. Let me see what this smells like. Oh, it's so pretty. Look, purple. It smells okay. Maybe if I rubbed it on my skin, it would smell better. But it smells okay. It's nothing bad. But this right here, though, to me smells better. I don't know, guys. Let me know down in the comments below if you guys have gotten any of these. And if y'all did, I want to know how it smells. I mean, how you like it, because I already know how it smells. All right, the next one I got, y'all, is... I'm going to go with this one. It's the Eucalyptus Blossom. Yes, can't wait to smell this. And I do believe I paired it with a body... What's the name? A body... No. Hold on, y'all. Let's see if I got one. Yes, I got the whip butter. Shea body butter. So let's see what this scrub smell like. Oh my God. I love the smell of eucalyptus, y'all. It smells so good to me. And the packaging is so cute. I love the top. How they got the flowers and stuff. And then this is the whipped eucalyptus. Oh my gosh. Eucalyptus Blossom. Shea body butter. It's so pretty. It's all like greenish, bluish color. And I can smell the eucalyptus. So that's pretty cool. So yep, got these to go together. Then my next one is the vitamin C. Y'all couldn't have packaged better than this. I can see y'all took another one out. Clearly, all y'all had to do was just take this one out too and throw it in the box. Y'all want me to do this myself? Thanks, Ulta. Okay, so I got the vitamin C scrub and the vitamin C whipped body butter. Let's see what this thing talking about. I like how I can see the whatever it has in it, because I don't know. It don't even tell me what it has in it. Hold on, let's see. Oop. Yes, it is. It says made with shea butter, vitamin C, and alpha hydroxy acid. Reveals brighter looking skin. So let's see what this thing is smelling like. To me, it has like a perfumey smell. I like this. It's nice. Yeah. So I can't wait to try this, y'all. And then I got my whipped body butter. Let's see what it smells like. And it's orange. What? See, I don't know. With these whipped body butters, to me, it's like the scrubs smell better than the body butters. Okay, I'm not a fan of the smell, but here, yes. Maybe it's because of the sugar. All right, let's get into the, look, here they go again, Ulta. Y'all just couldn't take this off. Sky. Okay, this is called Sugared Fantasy Shea Sugar Scrub. Oh, excuse me, guys. And it doesn't say what it has in it or anything, so let's just smell it. And I love the color. It's really pretty. Really pretty. Oh, yes. This has a light smell. I can't smell it too much. Yeah, it's really light. I can smell it a little bit. It do smell good. It's just very light. So that's not bad. I mean, it's just sugar scrubs. So it's not like it's a perfume or something that I'm gonna be wearing. So I got that, but it did not get, they did not have the whipped body butter, so I didn't get that. The next one that I have is, here we go again, Ulta. Boo Boo. Y'all couldn't, whoever packaged this, I'm telling you, just rip it off. Throw it to the side, put it in the trash, wherever you need to put it, and then just bloop, put it right in the box. So this one is cotton candy, and I'm so excited to try this. And it just says cotton candy. I love the packaging. So I could tell these were like in the same category for the packaging because they look very similar. And I love the color pink. It's so cute. Oh, look at it. See, I like when it, oh, yes. Nice and fresh to me. I can smell the cotton candy. Then I can smell like a perfume. Like it's a cotton candy perfume. It smells really nice, y'all. Oh, I wish they had the body butter in this, but I did not see it at all. All right. So the next one I'm gonna go with another one that wasn't in a body butter. Green tea. And it says purifies and balances skin, made with shea butter, antioxidants, green tea, and goji berry. So it's a pretty green. Let's open this thing up. Smell it. I like the smell of this. Can y'all smell it? Don't get it on your nose. All right. That smells pretty good. So I like that. Yo, like, where am I gonna put all my products? I need me another cart so I can, yes, organize everything. All right, so last but not least, from the Body Sugar purchase and the whipped body butter, I have this. I think is gonna be my favorite because I love everything in this scent and I love the fruits. Watermelon. I'm so excited to try this. To me, when you look at this, it looks like there's seeds in it. Now I'm sure, well, I'm not sure, but it might not be seeds in it, but it just looked like it. So first, I'm gonna smell the body scrub. Okay, this one hardly got anything on the lid. Okay. Oh, it smells exactly how I expected it to smell. It smells like, you know, the Bubblicious watermelon. I know they had Bubblicious watermelon gum. It smells like that. It smells like, it just smells so sweet and sugary. Oh, yeah, this is my favorite scent. My favorite scent. And then the next one I would say would be, oh, I'm not sure. We're not even gonna get into that for right now. But anyway, so I got that. And let's see what this whipped shea body butter smell like. It's so pretty. See, not a fan. I'm not a fan. Now you can smell like the watermelon-y scent a little bit, but I'm not a fan of these scents for the body butters. Like, y'all could have did a little bit better with these. It do smell good. Now this one probably smelled better than any of the other ones that I smelled, like closer to the sugar scrub scent, because I do smell the watermelon. I do smell it, but I just think they should have did better with that. Ulta, do a little bit better with your whipped body shea butters. All right, and the last items. Ooh, okay. Also got me a Tree Hut Sugar Lips lip butter, nourish and renew, made with shea butter and rose hip oil. So I got that, and I already do have a little bit of Vaseline on, so let's see how this thing glide on. Okay. Oh, excuse me. I don't really smell anything from it yet, and maybe because I done smelled all these products. And last but not least, guys, I seen they had some sugar face scrubs. So I had to get all of them for y'all. So let's see what we got. Boo-boo, got that watermelon on deck. And it says watermelon cactus water, AHA, which I'm not sure what AHA means. But it says it hydrates, cleanses pores, and smooths. So it's also it's made with 100% natural exfoliants, cruelty-free, and vegan. So yeah, I got that. They had 4 of them, guys. So then the next one I got is banana oat. And it says it's nourishing. So the watermelon is hydrating. The banana oat is nourishing. And it says it soothes, cleanses pores, and smooths. So maybe I should smell these, guys. Let's see. I can't smell too much. It's a small hole, guys. So let me see about the watermelon cactus. I really can't smell much, but we ain't gonna worry about that. I'm just gonna let y'all see these. So this one is purifying, and it's blueberry turmeric. And this one says it purifies, cleanses pores, and smooths. So I'm sure, oh, I can't wait to try these sugar scrubs out. Hopefully they don't mess up my face, like break me out or anything. Oh, then this one is a brightening facial sugar face scrub, and it's pineapple and papaya. I know they smell good. Like all of these, I'm sure they smell good. Once I like put them on my skin, I'm sure they're gonna be smelling good. So as y'all can see, boo, that's the end and the end of my haul, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. If you guys want to see me do any product reviews on any of these products, please let me know in the comments below. I love you guys for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Y'all are doing the thing. I reached my mini goal of 50 subscribers more, so I'm at 550 plus. I gotta keep grinding, guys, and I will keep flourishing. So anyway, guys, I love you guys for watching, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Peace.